Hey guys, how to find your join date on Roblox. So first of all, log into your account. Click on the username in the upper right corner to go to your profile. Okay, and then scroll down to the about section right here, and then your join date will be listed there, showing when you created your account, and then that's it. You can now see when you joined Roblox. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.